Hello again, it's Noob, and here we have an Oxford Quartz XD6, and this is a motorbike, probably front or rear brake disc lock. And the idea is that you would undo this, like using the key. This core would pop out, and you'd pop that onto your brake disc and pop that in. And this is usually attached to the handlebars or something like that, so that you remember it's on your bike, so you don't try to drive off with this on your disc brakes. So yeah, it's cool. It looks like a little 6-disc lock, and yeah, it's the front disc here is free spinning, so you've got 6 after this spinner at the front. And I think what we should do is throw this in a vise and just try and give it a pick, really. So we're in the vise, and yeah, all seems to work quite well. I've oiled this up and it's still a bit stiff. I'm just going to turn all the discs back to their position, and what we're going to do is use this rear tensioning tip. If you look at the key, the first 2 cuts are so deep that I can't actually tension off the first disc, which is here. It's not here, so this isn't a disc which binds first, if that makes sense. So yeah, let's just get on with it. It's also even though you rear tension it like this, it binds really strongly. You might wonder why I've turned it around. It's because the disc markings, spacings here are more for this kind of lock than an abloy, so they're not perfectly aligned, but there you go. So this is disc 1, and disc 1 binds first, which I find really strange. Well, not strange, just unusual, I guess. And we've already sort of set that. It won't turn any further. So back to disc 2. So that's disc 1, disc 2 is here, disc 3, binding heavily all the way. Oh wow, that's like all the way across. Disc 4 here, I think we got that. Disc 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. That feels good. So I'm just going to go back to the beginning, because if it doesn't open, then we could go all the way to the front and we just try again, see what we haven't set properly. So this is disc 1, and that feels, can't move it any further, that feels good. Disc 2, that moved quite a lot, but I'm not happy with the way that works, so I'm just going to turn that back, try again. That feels a bit better. So disc 1 is okay, disc 1, disc 2, oh, disc 3, try disc 4 again, 4, I think there's some false gates in this. 4, 5, oh, is that an open? Might need some help on a disc, so let's just help turn it. There we go, got it open. So very stiff, that, very stiff. Not particularly hard, but very stiff to turn it. And I don't know whether you saw, I had to sort of turn back the tension a little bit to set the last disc. So yeah, kind of a tough lock, that one, just because it's a bit stiff. And I think, to lock it, I'll have to push it. So let's take it out of the vice and I'll show you that it's all unlocked. And to lock it, we have to sort of push it in like that, and then turn back the discs using the, there we go. Then we can remove the whole tool like that. Awesome. So that was the Oxford Quartz XD6. Not overly hard to pick, just really sort of gross and sticky on the inside, but yeah, it works great with the key, just harder to sort of pick. Strange, isn't it? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you do, leave a like. If you have a comment about this lock, leave one below. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, really helps me out, and I'll see you all next time.